Hi everyone, Sayed here. In today's video, we will see how you can set up signature on Outlook on both Outlook client and Outlook on web. The signature which we set up on Outlook client does not sync up with the Outlook on web. And as per the recent update from Microsoft, they are developing this feature so that users will not have to create separate signatures on Outlook client and Outlook on web. Many businesses nowadays have their own YouTube page, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page. We will see how you can add small icons of social networking site in your signature and make that image clickable so that whenever someone clicks on that image, it lands up on your social networking site. Open Outlook desktop app. There are many ways you can access the signature option. Click on search at the top and search for signature. There is one more way to access the signature. Click on new email, click on insert, signature, and then signature. Now click on new and give a name for the signature. So I will give my name. On the right hand side where it says choose default signature, you can define for which signature, for which email address you want this signature to be applied, whether you want this signature to be applied to all new emails or replies and forwards. So for this example, we will assume that we need the signature for all new emails and for replies and forwards. You can give your name, designation, and your company name. You can also include your phone number. If you have a website that you want your clients to access it from your signature, or if you have a LinkedIn account that can be used to show your client your work experience, or if you have a Facebook page that you want your clients to access, you can include them in your signature. For that, we can use the image of the social networking site and then include the hyperlink which will direct to your social networking page. For this video, I will create a clickable signature icon for my YouTube page. You can use the same method to create it for other social networking pages such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So I will head over to pixabay.com. This website has a lot of royalty-free images which we can use for our signature. So we'll search for YouTube. I like this one and I will download it. Free download and this, and then download. So the image is downloaded. To insert an image, click on this icon and go to the location where you have downloaded the image. So I have it in downloads, and if I try to include the image in the signature, it will not fit the signature and looks really bulky. We need to reduce the size of the image, and for this we will be using Microsoft Paint. So from here, click on File, open the image which you have downloaded. To resize the image, click on the resize option over here. I have tested different sizes and 50 looks nice to me. You can adjust the size of the image to meet your requirement. I will press Ctrl S to save it, or I can click on the save icon. Now let's go back to our signature. Remove this one. Click on this icon again, and here it is. Now it looks pretty clean. Now I will go to my YouTube channel. Please click on the red subscribe button and hit like if you find this video helpful. So I will copy the link of my YouTube channel. Click on the icon and click on the hyperlink icon and paste the URL in the address bar. Hit OK. Now I have included the hyperlink to my YouTube channel, and when someone receives my email and they click on this icon, it will redirect to my YouTube channel. Outlook also gives us option to modify the text with different options available here. We can select what we want to modify, and then we can click on different font options. So let me go with this one for now, and if I want to increase the size, I can click on this and increase the size. I can click on this and click on the color to change it. Now our Outlook signature is ready, and we can click on OK. Now if I try to create a new email, I will have the signature included as default. So I will click on new email, and I will find the signature over here. The YouTube symbol over here, it will show the URL to my YouTube channel. So if I press Ctrl and click it will open my YouTube channel. I have completed the remaining setup, and this is how the final signature would look like. So we have different options, like if you want to include a hyperlink for your text, you can just select it and then give the hyperlink. So for that we will go to our signature again. So if I want to include a hyperlink for Let's Learn 365, I will select it, click on hyperlink, and then it will show me an option like what text I want to display. I can specify it over there, and here I can give the URL. So I don't have a URL for my website, so I will just give domain.com and click on OK. Suppose you want to have something like have queries, and that should and when your clients click on that, it should open an email with that email address in the to field and have some particular subject. So for that you can write a text, highlight it, click on the hyperlink option, and you will find this email address option on the left side. So you can specify the email address over here, and if you have any particular subject, so I will specify have queries, and I will click on OK. Now let's see that in action. So I will close it, and I will open a new email, and I find my signature over here. Suppose if someone clicks on this one, have queries, so what it does is, like, it will open a new email and will have the email in the to field and have queries as the subject. Suppose you have two accounts configured on your Outlook profile. One is your work account and another is your personal account. and you want to keep separate signatures for these accounts. So go to signatures and then click on new. I will give the name as personal and click OK. So I will keep it a simple signature with regards and my name. And here at the top right you will see that I have my both work account and my personal account. So I need to apply this personal signature to my personal account. So I will select that account, and in new messages I will select personal, and in replies and forwards I will select personal, and now I will click on OK. So let's create a new email. By default, since my work account is the default profile, it will take the default signature as work accounts. I can click on this drop down and select my personal account, and this will give my personal signature. And if I switch back again to my work account, it switch my signature back to the work signature. As we know that the signatures created on Outlook will not sync up with Outlook on web, for that we'll have to create a separate signature on Outlook web. Click on settings over here and search for signature. Click on email, put signature on new emails, and include signature on replies and forward. So here I can I will create a simple signature with regards Syed Ahmed and save it and close. So whenever I compose a new email from Outlook web, I get the signature as this. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below whether or not you found this video helpful. If you want me to create a video on a specific topic, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.